Brand new construction completed November 2, 2018, custom home, tons of upgrades, huge kitchen with plenty of two-tone cabinets, large island with storage, undermount cabinet lighting, stone counters, stainless steel appliances, large pantry, plank tile flooring, wet bar with refrigeration and sink, breezeway with built-ins, big laundry room with extra storage and sink, large corner master suite with big bath, double sinks, custom cabinets and walk-in shower with vertical tile and relaxation bench, master closet with an abundance of built-ins and front foyer with upgraded lighting. 3 other bedrooms with nice-sized closets, 2 other full baths with upgraded tile, crown molding, upgraded door hardware, stack stone exterior, paver driveway, low E windows, oversized garage with Wi-Fi opener, over Acre and NO HOA great schools too like Thornbrooke Elementary, Gotha Middle and Olympia High School, nearby to great local restaurants like Yellow Dog, new area hospitals, Winter Garden Village, downtown Winter Garden and the Brewery District, plus easy driving to Walt Disney World, downtown Orlando.